So, wisdom nugget 1: buying pieces of great businesses beats buying the whole thing at the wrong price. We would rather buy 10% of wonderful business tea at X per share rather than 100% of tea at 2x per share. Buffett's point here is simple, but not easy. When you buy all of the business, you're on the hook for everything: management, operations, and capital needs. But when you buy a piece through public markets, you can get access to the best businesses without the headaches and often at a discount. For Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, value investing was the name of the game. If a business was not available at the right price, they would rather not buy it than buy it at double the price. The main takeaway here being that public markets sometimes do offer better businesses than private ones and at a discount. And you don't need to control to benefit from it. You can let compounding work for you. The wisdom nugget 2: the toad kissing delusion of corporate acquisitions. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger both diverged from the typical merger and acquisition playbook. According to them, managers justify overpaying for mediocre companies with a belief that their leadership will magically transform the business. What they have said is that we have observed many cases but very few miracles. Warren Buffett calls out the dangerous cocktail of CEO ego, incentives tied to size, not performance, and fairy tale belief that bad businesses can be transformed just by new ownership. The takeaway out here: if it's a toad, buying it for twice the price doesn't make it a prince. It makes you delusional. Wisdom nugget 3: inflation is the tapeworm. One of the most powerful metaphors mentioned in this letter was equating inflation to corporate tapeworm. Whatever the level of reported profits, even if nil, more dollars for receivables, inventory, and fixed assets are continuously required by businesses to merely match the unit volume of the previous year. Inflation eats away at cash flow. Even profitable businesses are forced to reinvest just to stand still. And worst of all, bad businesses must reinvest not because they're attractive, but because they have no choice. The takeaway out here: in an inflationary world, only the best businesses fund their cost of capital. The rest are just feeding the war. And lastly, we come to the wisdom nugget 4, wherein Warren Buffett says that value add from equity isn't guaranteed. Buffett drops a sobering thought. In 1981, most American companies were not earning their cost of capital after taxes. Passive investments like bonds were outperforming the stocks. But facts do not cease to exist, either because they're unpleasant or because they are